Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing an unboxing of the Fancy Pants Enchanted Garden collection. As you may know, I did post it on my Instagram. I am now part of the Fancy Pants design team, so I will be sent the collections and we'll be doing an unboxing video to showcase all of the beautiful elements, and then I will create 2 projects per month using that said kit. Everything will be linked down below. These kits are available at fancypants.com. They usually will run sales, so definitely check out the website. And for additional savings, use the code MOMENTS10 for additional savings on your purchases. That's my personal discount code, so when you use it, they kind of, obviously mark my subscribers that purchase using my code, which helps me a lot. So the first collection is Enchanted Garden. The next collection I will be showing next month is Paisleys and Petals, and it is oh so beautiful. But for this month, I wanted to do projects with this kit. So let's start off with the papers. The kits come in the plastic. I already took it out, so I didn't have to bother you with that. And you get the 12 by 12 cardstocks. There are 6 designs and they're both double-sided. So in essence, you get one of each pattern and then a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So how I went through it is showing you both sides of the patterns already, so you can see all 12 layouts, pretty much like this. And then the collection is oh so precious, little gnomes and like fairy garden things, little like pumpkin houses, and you'll see those icons used throughout the kit. So first we have the gnomes, and then the back side is the blue. Okay, so that's how it goes. So this is the first paper. Second one is a gorgeous floral and then a nice neutral grid pattern. We have another beautiful floral on coral, and then the back side is this big bold one. You know I love that one, so let's be honest, these are probably all going to get cut out. That will probably be my first project. Then we have this good, almost, it's the same as that other pattern, so some of them repeat in nature, except it's a little bit on a diagonal in a like rusty marigold color, and then another bold floral in the back. Then some beautiful foliage, so leaves, some pumpkins, some foliage, and then a good big bold buffalo plaid in the back. And then a nice simple black and white symmetrical pattern. Oh, and then another repeating of the pumpkins and gourds and squash and stuff. So definitely screams fall. Here are the icons, like I said, the gnomes, the little mushroom homes, and the pumpkin homes. Very sweet. Very different. I haven't seen a collection like this quite yet. Then you get a pack of foam thickers. They are in a like green coloring. I love the script on it, and it does seem to be like, I don't want to say a new thing for them. I think they've always had thickers, but the titles are foam, and I really like the brush lettering on this. Get a pack of 5 colored enamel dots. And then you also get the Enchanted Garden ephemera, which has the little icons and the little pumpkin houses and the mushroom houses again. Very cute. And then this one is a pack of all those florals. Just beautiful. And like the colors, like I said, are very fall. It's a very fall themed collection. So you got like those sage greens, the marigolds, the like orangey cinnamon colors. They threw in some navy. And of course some brown, so it's very, very cute and goes together perfectly. So I will leave the link down below for the viewing of this collection on fancypants.com, but I do also believe you can pick up Fancy Pants at other online retailers like scrapbook.com and a cherry on top. I just know that if you go to Fancy Pants directly, you can use my coupon code there for Moments10 on your purchases. So stay tuned for layouts featuring this. Thank you as always for joining me today for this quick little unboxing of the new collection. Please subscribe, and until next time, bye!